Hi, I'm TJ with theclearbra.com. We're here with Avery Dennison's new paint protection film, and we're going to install it on this SUV. First thing we want to do is clean off the area with isopropyl alcohol. We're going to take the pre-cut kit off the backing paper. We're going to take soapy water solution, apply it to the back of the film, and apply it to the car. Next thing we're going to do is line up the kit. And to rinse the soap out, we're going to use an alcohol water solution. And squeegee that out. And that's it, we're done.